how do you teach? For example, ito yung parang I'm just wondering. Because, halimbawa, nagturo ka ng editing, and then, nung graduate yung bata, ibang way of editing na yung nangyari. How do you mitigate that situation? Na iba yung parang,
It's
halimbawa,
okay. Things are evolving.
Yeah.
For as long as you teach them the basics, okay lang yun. Like, there's a principle in cinema, nakasapaligan sa television or cinema.
Yeah.
For as long as hindi lumukso yung subject mo na kinakausap niya yung sarili niya, okay lang yun sa editing. These are proven, na yun. These are the basics. But then, kung gusto niyong bata na gumawa ng kakaiba na avant-garde o kaya experimental, it's really up to him. But the thing is, may turo mo yung basics.
Basic.
I learned from my professor also that sabi niya, start from the Greeks. Because the Greek had centuries of prior information, downloading for information, learning and unlearning.
Yeah.
Even in architecture, the columns, they learned that in Greek. Kami because I was a fine arts, start from the Greek, kahit na we start with human anatomy. Then Venus, then Apollo, the discus thrower. So we studied the forms.
Yeah.
Even Medusa nga duti ko na. Yeah, we learned
really start from the basics.
from the basics.
If you got the basics, kahit na anong changes, you can still adapt.
We can adapt. So, kas pag susuruan mi editi photography, no kahit no handa nga ako. Because we don't teach really rule of thirds. We don't really teach. We teach them yung composition, yung how to shoot, how to frame, ganun. How to appreciate yung arrangement of subject.